Our 15th question is, if y is equals to p e a x plus q e b x, so that this this equation is equals to 0. So to solve that, we just will get into the answer. If y is equals to p by x, after differentiating dy by dx, we get a p is equals to ax plus b q b y bx. Further differentiating d2y dx square, we get a square p e a x plus b square e bx by 3. Multiplying first equation by ab, we get aby is equals to ab p e ax plus ab qb x, which is equals to our fourth equation. Multiply second by a plus b, we get a plus b dy by dx, a plus b a into p e ax plus b q e bx is equals to a square p e x plus में b square p e b x plus में a b e a x plus में a b q e b x. Or we can write this equation simply like a square b p e a x plus में b square q e b x minus में a plus b dy by dx plus में a b p e ax plus में a b q b x. We can simply write it also in further by differentiating it, we get d square y dx square minus a plus b dy by dx plus a b y. So this is the answer. This is we get proved that. Thank you.